Hello everyone! Today I'm going to teach you how to make a puff sleeve pattern so that you can turn any top into a cute summer top with puffy sleeves. Stay tuned! You're going to need a t-shirt that fits you well. It's important that the t-shirt is not stretchy, and if it is, it still fits your arm without being stretched. With your t-shirt inside out, lay it out so that the sleeve is in half and the back is facing up. Mark the top of the shoulder and the underarm, and trace down these points to our hem. Because this t-shirt had quite a long sleeve, I decided to shorten my hem. Because this is only half of the pattern, we will double the hemline to accommodate. With a pin, from point to point that we made, follow the seam of the sleeve. Now using a pen, you can trace those punctures making your pattern. Make sure you label all of your sides so you don't get confused at the end. Then we'll flip the t-shirt over so now the front is facing up. And we'll follow all of the same steps. Trace, puncture, pattern. Make a line 1/2 inch beneath the underarm points, and draw a line down the center. Next we're going to divide up the sleeve. I made a point at 2.5 inches from both underarm seams, and then made a line down. I broke up the remaining parts into 1-inch sections, and drew lines down those points as well. If you want a puffier puff sleeve, then I recommend making more divisions, or if you'd like a smaller one, then make less divisions. Now we're going to cut out the exterior pattern and all our vertical lines. With the pattern laid out on another piece of pattern paper, we're going to tape down our pieces. In between each piece, I'm leaving a 1-inch gap. If you decided to make smaller or larger divisions, then the distance between your strips should be that amount instead. Mark your new center line and add 2 inches to the top and bottom. Using a curved ruler, we're going to connect that center line back to our sides. This line doesn't need to be perfect, so don't worry too much. It's all going to get gathered and it'll look beautiful regardless. Label your pattern. Don't forget to mark if you have seam allowance included or not. Next, you can cut it out. Here's how my pattern turned out. Give this pattern a try and show me your results. And if you like this shirt, check out my thrift flip video about it. Next time I use this pattern, I'm going to lengthen my sleeve hem. I found that it actually wasn't long enough. To do that, you can cut across the horizontal center line and add 1 inch or whatever length you would like. Thank you guys so much for making this puff sleeve pattern with me. I had a really good time. And if you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. And if you make it, please tag me on Instagram or send me a DM. I love to see what you guys make. And until next time, bye!